Welcome to ABC, where study rules. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon. Hello friends. ABCGS presents Most Important MCQ on Indian Polity and Constitution Part 2. So let's begin.
Hello friends, welcome to ABCGS. Today we will discuss Indian Polity and Constitution MCQs. Question number 1. The convention that once a speaker, always a speaker is followed in. The right answer is UK. The next question. Indian Penal Code came into operation in. The right answer is 1862. Question number 3. A federal structure for India was first put forward by the right answer is Act of 1935. The Government of India Act 1935 provided for the establishment of a Federation of India to be made up of both British India and some or all of the princely states. Question number 4. When was our national anthem first sung and where? The right answer is 27th December 1911 in Calcutta session. Question number 5. The Constitution of India came into force on. The right answer is 26th January 1950. India is governed in terms of the Constitution of India, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949 and came into force on 26th January 1950. Question number 6. The term caste was derived from. The right answer is Portuguese. Question number 7. The term Greater India denotes. The right answer is cultural unity. Question number 8. The two forms of democracy are. The right answer is parliamentary and presidential. Parliamentary democracy is a representative democracy where government is representatives. Presidential rule where the president is both head of the state and head of the government and is elected by the voters. Question number 9. Which was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? The right answer is right to constitutional remedies. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee, called the fundamental right to constitutional remedies as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution. Right to constitutional remedies empowers the citizens to move a court of law in case of any denial of the fundamental rights. The courts can issue various kinds of writs. These writs are habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto, and certiorari. Question number 10. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adapted from. The right answer is England. The Indian Constitution borrowed some features like parliamentary form of government, introduction of speaker and his role, the concept of single citizenship, the rule of law, procedure of lawmaking, etc. from England Constitution. Question number 11. The drafting of the Constitution was completed on. The right answer is 26th November 1949. On 26th November 1949, the process of drafting was completed and Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution. 284 members signed the document and the process of constitution making was complete. Question number 12. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? The right answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 13. The method of impeachment of the President of India is adapted from. The right answer is the Indian Constitution has borrowed some features from the US Constitution. Those features are fundamental rights, independence of judiciary, judicial review, impeachment of the President, removal of Supreme Court and High Court judges, post of Vice President. Question number 14. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? The right answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Constituent Assembly of India was elected to write the Constitution of India. Following India's independence from Great Britain, its members served as the nation's first parliament. Sachidanand Sinha was the first president or temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly when it met on December 9, 1946. Dr. Rajendra Prasad then became the president of the Constituent Assembly and would later become the first president of India. Question number 15. The concept of constitution first originated in. The right answer is Britain. Question number 16. The provisional president of the Constituent Assembly was. The right answer is Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. Question number 17. The chairman of the drafting committee. 17. The chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution was. The right answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 18. Persons may change, but rules should not change, is the principle of. The right answer is constitutional government. Question number 19. The Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the. The right answer is Cabinet Mission Plan. Question number 20. Cabinet system and collective responsibility are the contributions of. Right answer is Britain. Question number 21. In India, sovereignty is vested with. The right answer is the Constitution. Legal sovereignty represents the lawyer's conception of sovereignty. It is associated with the supreme lawmaking authority in the state. The body which has the power to issue final commands in the form of laws is the legal sovereign in a state. This power may be vested in one person or a body of persons. It may be a king or dictator or parliament. Legal sovereignty is organized and reorganized by constitutional law. Question number 22. What is meant when it declares India a secular state? The right answer is, the state regards religions as a private affairs of the citizen and does not discriminate on this basis. Secularism. India is a secular country as per the declaration in the preamble to the Indian Constitution. It prohibits discrimination against members of a particular religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Every person has the right to preach, practice, and propagate any religion they choose. The government must not favor or discriminate against any religion. It must treat all religions with equal respect. All citizens, irrespective of their religious beliefs, are equal in front of law. Question number 23. January 26 selected as the date for the inauguration of the Constitution because the right answer is, the Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930. The Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on the 26th November 1949 and it came into force after 2 months on 26 January 1950. The day January 26 was chosen because it was this very day when the Purna Swaraj resolution was made in Lahore in 1930 and the first tricolor of India unfurled. Question number 24. The unitary system of government possesses which of the following advantages? The right answer is strong state. A unitary system of government or unitary state is a sovereign state governed as a single entity. The central government is supreme and any administrative divisions exercise only powers that their central government chooses to delegate. Lower level governments, if they exist at all, do nothing but implement policies of the national government. Thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.